not. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. My goal is to try and run one lobby. And if I don't, then I will eat Doug. But anyways, let's get right into the video. You guys might not believe but these aren't real handcuffs. They're like these fake ones, but they still do work as handcuffs. I'll even prove it to you. Hear this? Ready? Hear this. Ready? Boom, that's one. Alright, then we got the other.
Alright, here we go. Wait. Boom, the handcuffs are now on. Oh god. Alright.
Oh god, hard. Like, bro, I can't even move, bro. How do I do this, bro? I can't even run.
Probably you get better at the game. That's
I'm handcuffed, bro. Cut me some slack, please. Please, someone let me tag you. No, I'm handcuffed. Oh, you ran into me, man. But GG's. GG's. Yes, sir. Guys, let's all do a friendship bracelet, guys.
Okay, let's go.
Nobody moves.
Yay!
Here, I got you. I'll cut you some slack.
Remember you for the rest of my Gorilla Tag eternity, bro. He's my new hand, bro. Sorry, Doug. I gotta do this to you. I can't. I'm fed up with these handcuffs. I'm sorry. Here we go. Come here, Doug. Yo, bro, why are you still here? The video has ended. I don't know why you're still watching the video. Did you think something was gonna happen? Oh, no. Just leave, bro. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna have to force you to leave.